The state of education in South Africa comes under the spotlight every year, especially as a cohort of matrics write their final exams. The issue of literacy is one of the major concerns, and the Minister of Basic Education feels with the focus often on matric results, the foundation education is sometimes neglected.
I think one of the big problems that we've had in South Africa is perhaps the overemphasis of the end of the schooling career, the overemphasis on matrics, the matric pass rate, and we've missed something. And the thing that we have missed is the foundations of learning. If children are not able to read, write, and count right from the beginning, you are letting them down, and the quality of the actual system is compromised. So we're saying it is a game changer to have ECD inside the Department of Basic Education, because now we are building a system, an education system that looks at a child's development from 0 all the way to 18.
In her business engagement, she called for collaborative strategies.
So I think first it's been incredible, obviously affirming our current corporate partners, but also a new corporate partners who are saying we want to come on board. We want to help you deliver a good quality education system in South Africa. And so and it was important for us to outline that this is where we need your help. We need your help in making sure that the schools are safe, that schools are not places of death for children, that we are eradicating pit toilets. But we also need your help in making sure that literacy is improved, so that when children leave the schooling system, they are workplace ready. And it is important for these people in this room that we are producing good quality learners.
There has been a good collaboration between the private sector and the Department of Basic Education for years, but one that has to be refreshed and renewed on an ongoing basis. And that was the purpose today. The minister was saying that she would actually continue to engage with the captains of industry on how much of these investments are actually reoriented to the priorities.
The Education Department is also concerned over the current foodborne crisis in the country.
First of all, I think it's been absolutely horrific what has been happening to our young learners, particularly because this affects in particular younger children. And so yes, while these items have been bought outside of the school premises, but these are still our learners. And that's why we have partnered with the Department of Health to say we will be part of the solution with the NICD. I also announced last week that I am moving to ban such pesticides from being in schools to begin with, because in some schools we store the school nutrition program food at the schools.
The Department of Health is still investigating the source of the organophosphate poisoning in Soweto, as well as the various cases across the country. Hasina Gori, SABC News, Johannesburg.